Hello guys, in this video we'll see how we can use apply to each. So for that, let me go to automation cloud flow and let me create a flow. So I will say my flow name as apply to each. I will manually trigger this. Alright, so what we'll do for our example, we'll create an array. So let me add compose here, and inside my compose let me define array and let me add few random values. Let's say I add this, random values here. So total how many values we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 values. Now let us assume we want to iterate through all of them. So to iterate through all the elements of an array, we'll use apply to each. So I will go here and I will search for control. Inside my control, I have this apply to each. Here, I will need to get output of this compose. So I can get output of this compose. Here, let me add an action. Okay, and let me again as compose. So here, this compose, I need to see each records, right? So I will say show each record, and I will go to input. Here, if you will come down, you see this current item, right? So this current item will give us 34, then 75, then 2, 1, 24, 6, 8. And let me save this. And I will test. We'll go with manual. Okay, done. Alright, so here you see we have this array, right? So we have created an array. We have 3, 6, 7 elements. And when you will apply, so you see the loop is triggered 7 times. And you will see individual records like 34, then what do you have? Then you have 75, then you should have 2, right? So this is the use case of apply to each. It is nothing if you have worked on programming languages. So it is loop, looping through each element of an array. So thank you for watching this video.